This project for our school is astronomical. Our students they're coming in the building, they're looking at the work being done, and it gives them a sense of pride, not just for the school, but for the entire neighborhood. If you even pay attention to cars passing by right now, everybody's giving me the thumbs up. They're excited about what they're seeing in terms of the mural and the beautification that's going on all around the building, and it's just great for South Memphis.
I actually drove to the Ida B. Wells Museum and drove to Holly Springs to check out the museum to do some real research, and then watched a few documentaries, and then I started on my design. I also wanted to make sure, like I said, to tie in the connection of the school. So I have, of course, you see the Ida B. Wells Eagles mascot within the design.
Everybody's extremely excited. Folks are working hard, doing this great service for Kirby High School and for the Kirby community. I mean, there's folks all over the place. I mean, planting flowers, cleaning up, mulching beds, planting new trees, putting the old trees out, putting the side down.
I think, ServiceMaster in general, we pride ourselves on that we're masters of service, so that's kind of in our core values, as well as, Memphis is our home too. It's corporate headquarters, and I'm born and raised here, so love my city. It's important to give back to it, and so, it's just great to be able to have this opportunity.